If your child had a medical emergency tomorrow, would your current insurance actually protect them, or would you be hit with surprise bills, denied treatments, or forced to wait for the care your child needs right now? The truth is, most parents in the United States are paying hundreds of dollars every month and still don't have the coverage their kids deserve. And it's not because they don't care. It's because health insurance is confusing by design. But by the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the right health insurance plan for your kids without guessing, without stress, and without wasting money on coverage that doesn't actually protect them. Hi, I'm here to simplify one of the most overwhelming decisions every parent faces. Choosing health insurance for kids isn't the same as choosing it for yourself. Kids have unique medical needs: regular checkups, sudden illnesses, unexpected injuries, vaccinations, and sometimes specialist visits that parents never see coming. And in the US, a small mistake in choosing a plan can cost families thousands of dollars. But today, I'm breaking it all down in a clean, practical way so you can make confident decisions for your child's health and your family's budget. By the end, you'll understand the must-have benefits, the difference between plan types, how to compare plans like a pro, and how to avoid the traps that cost parents the most money. When it comes to choosing health insurance, everything begins with understanding the basic terms, because these terms determine your yearly costs and how quickly your child can access care. The premium is the amount you pay monthly just to keep the insurance active. But the deductible tells you how much you must pay out of pocket before your insurance actually starts covering services. If your child goes to the doctor often, a lower deductible might save you more in the long run, even if the premium is slightly higher. Co-pays are the fixed amounts you pay for visits or prescriptions. And the most important number of all is the out-of-pocket maximum. That's your financial safety limit once you reach it. Insurance pays 100% of covered services for the rest of the year. Knowing these basics helps you avoid nasty surprises and choose a plan that protects your child, not just your monthly bank statement. Before you choose any plan, take a moment to understand your child's specific health needs. Every child is different. Toddlers need frequent checkups, vaccines, and occasional sick visits. School-age kids may need dental work, vision screening, or treatment for injuries. Teens might need mental health support, sports physicals, or allergy care. Think about any conditions your child already has, like asthma, allergies, ADHD, or anxiety. If they rely on long-term medications or need specialist visits, you'll want a plan that covers those treatments affordably. Also, make sure your child's pediatrician is in-network. Many parents assume their doctor is covered, only to discover unexpected bills later. And think about how often your child ends up at urgent care. Some kids catch every winter bug. Others get injured often. A good plan matches your child's lifestyle instead of forcing you to adjust to its limitations. One of the most confusing parts for parents is understanding the difference between HMO, PPO, EPO's plans. An HMO is affordable and predictable, but requires you to stay within a specific network, and you usually need referrals to see specialists. It's great if your child's health needs are simple. A PPO is the most flexible. You can see specialists without referrals and even go out of network, though it'll cost more. This is ideal for kids who need multiple specialists. An EPO is a balance between the two. No referrals needed, but you must stay within network. And POS plans combine features of HMO and PPO. The goal isn't to pick the fanciest type, it's to pick the one that fits your child's needs and your budget without limiting care when you need it most. When evaluating any plan, make sure it includes the benefits children absolutely must have. Preventive care like annual checkups, developmental screenings, and vaccines should always be fully covered. Prescription coverage needs to be strong because kids often require medication for infections, allergies, or chronic conditions. Emergency and urgent care access is essential because kids get hurt and sick unexpectedly. Mental and behavioral health support is incredibly important, especially for school-age children and teens. Therapy, counseling, and evaluations should be included. Vision and dental coverage matter more than most parents realize, especially as kids grow. And don't forget, telehealth. Busy families benefit immensely from quick virtual visits. When these benefits are included, your plan supports not just medical care but your child's long-term growth, development, and emotional well-being. Once you understand the basics, comparing plans becomes much easier. Start with the provider network and make sure your child's pediatrician and preferred hospital are covered. This alone can save you hundreds each year. Check the drug formulary and make sure your child's medications are included at reasonable copays. Review deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums carefully. These numbers determine your real annual cost. Pay close attention to specialist access. If your child might need dermatology, NT, therapy, or mental health services, choose a plan that makes specialist visits affordable and easy to schedule. And read the small print for referral rules, therapy session limits, or urgent care restrictions. Comparing plans with a step-by-step approach helps you avoid the common trap of choosing the cheapest plan that ends up being the most expensive in the long run. Even premium families want smart, efficient ways to save money without sacrificing quality. If your employer offers family plans, compare them. They often provide strong coverage at lower premiums. If not, explore marketplace options, where many parents qualify for subsidies that dramatically reduce monthly costs. Don't overlook CHIP or Medicaid. Many families qualify without realizing it. And these programs provide excellent coverage for kids. If your plan offers an HSA or FSA, use it. These accounts let you set aside pre-tax money for medical expenses, saving you hundreds or even thousands each year. Review your plan every year during open enrollment because networks and prices change. Avoid common mistakes like choosing the lowest premium, ignoring networks, or assuming pediatric benefits are identical. Smart evaluation leads to big savings and higher quality care. As we wrap up, remember that choosing the right health insurance for your kids isn't just a financial decision, it's a security decision. It's about giving your child access to the care they need without hesitation, without fear, and without the stress of unpredictable medical bills. Today you learned how insurance really works, what your child truly needs, and how to compare plans with clarity and confidence. If this guide helped you, share it with another parent who deserves the same peace of mind. And if you want deep breakdowns of specific plans or personalized comparisons, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, protect your little ones, and I'll see you in the next video.